Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your September read. Let's see Cancer, what energies are going to be flowing towards you in September and how you can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of September. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer. Oh, big changes coming for you, Cancer, in September. The World card is here. Cancer. All right. Cancer, bottom of my deck, I have the Six of Cups. So Cancer, this can have two meanings. This could be something or somebody returning back from your past, maybe in September, or this could also mean that you now need to bring some newness back into your life. Okay, Cancer, because right now, your current energy, I see you a bit stressed out. Having some sleepless nights, worrying about something, going over and over, something which may not be happening right now, wondering whether it's going to happen. In the past, you were looking for some stability, maybe, or maybe you did get some, or you were looking forward to it. Maybe that hasn't happened till now, and that's why you're so stressed out till now. But in September, I have the World card, like I told you before. So there is going to be an end of all this and maybe a brand new cycle starting for you, a brand new chapter of your life starting for you. I'm very excited to see what this is going to be all about. Before I start clarifying these cards, Cancer, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for your new month of September. Lord Ganesha, for my Cancer gang, please. Nurture. It's time to take care of yourself, Cancer. It's time to just take care of yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. If you're sitting here and worrying, be in that peaceful energy, and for a change, treat yourself like your own child. Okay, I do that sometimes to myself. I pamper myself. I ask myself, what do I want to do today? What would I like to eat? What makes me happy? So it's time to nurture yourself instead of being in such anxiety, from what I feel. Let's take one from my angels as well and see what my angels have to say to that. My angels, what do you have for Cancer? Blessing, guidance, advice, be brave. Be brave. Don't lose hope, Cancer. I think you're just ending some very traumatic maybe or disappointing phase of your life, but now things are going to change. Okay? So be brave. This time is not going to last. Remember one thing in life. Change is the only constant we have in our life. Everything changes, the good, bad, and the ugly. Okay? So don't stay stressed out. Currently, I do see you a bit stressed out, but let's see. Cancer, Spirit, why are they in the Nine of Swords energy at the present moment? This is not September energy, Cancer. This is now, when you're in August. Maybe you were looking for somebody to reconcile. Maybe you're feeling a loss of love. Maybe you're feeling some things are stuck in your life. You're not having, you've lost faith that this Wheel of Fortune will ever be upright, Cancer. But I've already told you the overall energy, in September, is the Wheel of Fortune upright. Okay? So like I said, you could be ending this last chapter of your life and moving straight into. So whatever goes up has to go down, whatever goes down has to come up. So if you're feeling a little down, Cancer, you're going to be up very soon. So no point stressing about it right now. Just let a little time go by, things are going to be fine. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Cancer to be feeling this way? King of Pentacles. You were, I think, anticipating a renewal of something. Maybe this could be work, this could be business, this could be anything, could be a relationship, could be whatever. But in the past, you were expecting a renewal of something which made you feel that if this happens in my life, it's going to make me very, very, very happy. This would have brought in all that stability that you were seeking, that grounded, beautiful feeling that you feel all is well in your life. But that could possibly be taking a little time, so you're kind of losing hope here, that there is no sense of celebration, no sense of joy at the moment. Where is that feeling of happiness and love in my life? There's a bit of anxiety regarding that, Cancer, but September is coming. Let's see what's going to happen in September then. The World card, Spirit, for Cancer. What can they expect? What can they expect in September? Cancer, whatever this thing was, oh yes, it's coming back. King of Pentacles upright. It's coming back, but Cancer, the whole point is here that whatever baggage you've been carrying of this pain, or this is the end. This is going to be the end, because after 10, you only start with the Ace of Wands, right? So you've done all this. This cycle of burden, of heaviness is going to be over. The only problem here, Cancer, is you may have become a little used to, this feeling of overthinking things. And when this new opportunity or this past opportunity does present itself, which is going to, you may not even trust it in September. Your guard could have gone up by now. You don't trust very easily anymore. You're trying to protect yourself now. So just be a little mindful that this is not a self-imposed prison you get yourself into, and not see the opportunity. You'll be having the world in your hands now in September. It's up to you to choose the direction that you want this Wheel of Fortune to flow for you. Okay? Let's see some more. What else for September, Spirit? What else for September? September is going to be easy for you, from what I feel, Cancer. It's going to bring you this brand new opportunity. It's going to feel like a fresh, brand new life. And this time, okay, if in the past you've been feeling that whatever this opportunity, missed opportunity was, you were putting in too much work, right? All the burden was on you. You were feeling stressed out, and yet nothing really kind of happened here. This time, I don't think you're going to have to put in that much work. It's going to flow pretty easy. It's going to be less work and more joy. So just be a little mindful that you don't overlook this opportunity that comes your way, or be in that state of, I don't trust it. It hasn't happened well with me before, and now I'm not sure whether I want it. So all that you have to open up, Spirit is saying. Stop holding back and allow yourself to receive now. So what can become, okay, what should, let's do this one first. What should Cancer hold on to? Hold on to the feeling, Cancer, that things are going to move in a very positive direction for you. This mind is a very strong tool. You can tell the mind anything, and it can influence the rest of your life, I'll be honest. Even I've heard of stories where Cancer, not because it's a Cancer reading, but people with very big diseases and whatever also get cured just with positive thinking. So please hold on to this feeling. Yes, I am on the right track. Things are going to move in a positive direction, and yes, the Wheel of Fortune is going to be in my favor this time. So hold on to this feeling instead of staying in this place of stress and anxiety and feeling feeling always this is your destiny, I'll always be by myself, and I'll always be a hermit, or I have nothing to look forward to, so I'll hide myself away. So Spirit is saying, just be in this mode. The things are going to move, and they're going to move and take you to the right direction. So what should Cancer let go of, Spirit? Cancer Spirit is saying, let go of any past conflict, and also the feeling that nothing ever works out for you. Yes, anything that hasn't gone in the right direction for you, if you felt the lack of, people being on the same page as you, or not having the right partnerships or whatever, now it's time to be a little more open. Don't hide your emotions. Speak your truth, at least to yourself first. I would feel first you have to just be honest with yourself. That's how you'll get out of your mind. And once you get out of your mind, you will see things in a more positive light. And when this new opportunity or a past opportunity comes back to you, Spirit is urging you to be a little more open-minded. Yes, stop being, this is like the spy card, right? So stop being too much of an investigator here. Okay, this person doesn't trust very easily, so will ask 100 questions or spy, or just not trust, basically. So Spirit is saying you have to let go of this. So what can become Cancer's biggest blockage, Spirit? Your biggest blockage will be, if you allow it to happen, Cancer, will be holding yourself back. Okay, not being open. That's exactly what Spirit was saying. Let go, allow new energies to come in, right? So Spirit is saying this, otherwise this will become a blockage. The Four of Pentacles is a card of somebody holding back, holding tight, like a miser. That this is all I have and this is all I'll ever get. I'm not going to get any more, so I'm going to hold on to whatever I have. So don't be in that lack mentality, even if it's work or business or whatever. Let go a little bit. If you have 4, let go of 1, and you will see that 1 is going to come back, maybe tenfold back. But if when you get into a lack mindset, Cancer, then things stagnate. Yes, Spirit is saying there are new opportunities coming towards you. There are new things coming towards you. There are people coming towards you with offers, emotional offers. But the thing that's going to hold you back is going to be you. Okay, so don't let that become a blockage. Be emotionally open if possible. So how are people going to see my Cancer gang in the month of September, Spirit? King of Swords, see, using your head over heart. Now you don't want to be looked upon as that, do you, Cancer? And that's why I'm doing the reading now. If you are in that state, I think you need to get out of it. So why will people be seeing my Cancer in the King of Swords energy, Spirit? Why will people be seeing my Cancer gang in the... Cancer, I feel people are going to be seeing you as very stable, as very victorious in your other spheres of your life, in your 3D, your accomplishments, or, you could be doing well where your stability is concerned, your home life is concerned, your work is concerned. But when it comes to anything emotional, Cancer, you may not be that open, right? They could see you maybe you've been through some tower moments where trusting people has been a issue with you. So people may see that even though you're winning in other aspects of your life, you don't trust it. You don't trust it. Spirit is urging you to be a little more open and not be that close-minded. There is a new cycle beginning for you, but you may not be trusting it at the moment. You may feel that this is all hogwash. It doesn't happen for people like me. And what I have is what I have, and what I can do myself is what I can do. And maybe because maybe your close people do know that you've been through some disruption in your life, maybe disruption in your stability at one point. Stability could be of any kind, Cancer. Could be in your love relationship, could be in a marriage, could have been in your work, business. So they do see you not very open to trusting people, but on your own, you seem to be shining in September. You're coming across with fertility, growth, abundance, getting all your wishes fulfilled, at least in the 3D world. Okay, you know what, practical world where money, finances, stability, work is concerned, people are seeing that you are growing by leaps and bounds, shining like a star. But a little bit where emotions are concerned, you seem a little distraught. So we don't want that. That's what Spirit is saying. Just be a little open, allow these new opportunities to come into you. This could be new offers coming to you. This could be a past person being emotionally open to you. So let's see now, what is Spirit's secret message to you? The Emperor. Okay, so Cancer, you are pretty much going to be in control of your life in September, it seems. There, again, I have the 6 of Cups. And the Emperor again. My God, somebody is maybe returning, Cancer. Somebody could be returning. Somebody could be returning. Maybe there's been an argument, a fight, or some kind of miscommunication with somebody from your past. This September, I see I have the Emperor here twice. So either this could be you or this could be somebody else coming back. I mean, I have this card twice as well. This is a card of somebody coming back to make things right. It's going to be good. Okay, it's going to be really good. It's going to get you out of this place where I saw you right in the center, right? Your current energy was this card. The overthinking, not being able to sleep at night. Whatever said and done, whatever clarity is going to come, some clarity is going to come, some honest communication is going to come to you in September, which is going to relieve you of your stress and tension and these sleepless nights. So just be brave during this time, Cancer, and even though you're doing really well, I do see you stressed about one aspect of your life. This could be an emotional aspect, but in September, I see you revisiting that. It's going to come right back in your face, and whatever communication or clarity that comes with this return, it's going to ease you up. Okay? So whether you want to, whatever you decide to do with it, at least it will relieve you of this overthinking. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. And newbies, I'll see you for the love readings, hopefully. Do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be very grateful. See you soon. And my subscribers, of course, I'll see you on Friday now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.